Here we are at Thuxton, waiting for the Class 47 on its way to Dereham on the Mid-Norfolk Railway, and it's carrying sort of a mixture of liveries. That looks like Intercity or ScotRail and BR on the side. Certainly a mixture, and BR Mark 1 coaches. And there's a Mark 2 coach there. This coach here is a BR Mark 2 coach in a pseudo maroon livery. These are Mark 1s. And we're on the rail bus 55757 going up to Wyndham in a beautiful April 2026 day on the Mid-Norfolk Railway. A lovely station. That's our first train of the day. That's our conductor. When he comes back, we can get on and go. He's just getting a token from the signalman, the signal box, the Thuxton signal box. Once he's given him that, we can go. That's it. He's closing the gates again. I don't know why. We've got to go through there. I think he's just letting a vehicle out. I think that's the idea. Somebody been waiting. Yeah, there you go. Lovely station this. Try and get some of it in up there. I don't want to walk too far. Back on the train. Have a little look. First time I've ever got off here. There you go. Waiting room. Gentlemen, very good. Alright, we have to get on now.